welcome back to Beamer Tom, another one of my car videos. And today I'm kind of giving you an update on my E85 Z4. So some of you may know I've got this 2005 E85, all rhymes. It's also a 2.5i, and it's kind of going to give you almost another weekly update. I only drive this car probably once a week just to go to the gym, and I seem to be having a crunchy so yeah, that's the latest. That's just happened. I've pulled the car out of the garage and it's having an issue, so hopefully it'll rectify itself. If not, we need to try and get that fixed. Anyway, I will see you next video. Oh, and thanks very much for watching my other videos, and yeah, hopefully you like the 8 series video, and hopefully you guys also like the interior video from last week. Smash the like button, check out the other videos I mentioned, and subscribe to the channel because I try and get as many videos as I can out to you guys. So see you in the next video. Ciao!